What's up? I actually just uploaded the Clean Culture 2016 vlog. Now, I didn't do it on purpose, just that's the video I edited, which was a year ago. Sadly, I'm a year behind because of computer issues, so. But about to get ready. Just did my hair, it still looks shitty because I need to cut it because it's matted, stress. I didn't do it. But, oh yeah, also, this shit is dope. I love this shit. Keep it Paris. So we out here. Look at this motherfucker trying to be funny and shit.
complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the importance of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.